Is your washing machine finishing a cycle with a drum full of dirty water? First, switch off and unplug the appliance and lay down towels or a shallow tray because trapped water can spill as soon as you open anything. If the wash has just finished on a hot cycle, give the water time to cool so you are not dealing with scalding water. Next, listen to what the machine is doing. If you hear the pump humming but no water leaves, you probably have a blockage. If it is silent, the pump might not be running at all. Start with the drain filter, usually behind a small flap at the bottom front. Open it slowly, let the water drain, then remove and clear out any lint, coins, hair grips or buttons from both the filter and the housing. If that looks clear, pull the machine forward and check the drain hose. Make sure it is not kinked or crushed against the wall. Check if it is fitted at the wrong height or blocked with residue where it joins the pipe. If the hose or pump is damaged, replacing the part is usually far cheaper than buying a new washing machine.